Good morning students. Welcome back to the geometry class. As you all know, we have started with practice set 7.2 and today we are going to continue it further. Now before continuing with it, let's first see some important points. So these are the important points we have learned. First point, the equation of the x-axis is y is equal to 0 and the equation of the y-axis is x is equal to 0. We have also learned that the equation of a line parallel to the x-axis is y is equal to b and the equation of a line parallel to the y-axis is x is equal to a. So these are the important points you should remember. So let's now continue with practice set 7.2. First 5 sums we did in the previous session. So let's continue with 6th question. Which of the equations given below have graphs parallel to the x-axis and which one have graph parallel to the y-axis? So here we have some equations. First one, x is equal to 3. So how we can find out the line will be parallel to x-axis or it will be parallel to y-axis? Yes, we know the equation. The equation of a line parallel to the y-axis is x is equal to a. Now this a can be lesser than 0 or greater than 0. So here we have x is equal to 3. So we can write here, therefore the line x is equal to 3 is parallel to the y-axis. Okay. Now see the next equation, y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now let's simplify this equation. We can have y is equal to 2. We have shifted this 2 to the other side. So we get here y is equal to 2. Now we know the equation of a line parallel to the x-axis is y is equal to b. So here b can be lesser than 0 or greater than 0. So here we have y is equal to 2. That means we can write here the line y minus 2 is equal to 0 is parallel to the x-axis because the line parallel to the x-axis have such kind of equation. Okay. Now let's see the third equation. X plus 6 is equal to 0. So what will be our first step? First we will simplify this. What we will do? We will shift this 6 to the right hand side. So we will get here x is equal to minus 6. Now again x is equal to a. That means the equation of a line parallel to the y-axis is x is equal to a. Therefore, the line x plus 6 is equal to 0 is parallel to y-axis. Okay. Now let's see the next. Y is equal to minus 5. Again the equation is in the form of y is equal to b. That means your line will be parallel to, yes, x-axis. So let's write down the equation of a line parallel to the x-axis is y is equal to b. Therefore, the line y is equal to minus 5 is parallel to the x-axis. So I hope you all have understood how to find the given equation will have graph parallel to x-axis or y-axis. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. On a graph paper, plot the points A, B and C. If those points are collinear, then draw the line which includes them. Write the coordinates of the points at which the line intersects the x-axis and the y-axis. So let's take one graph paper. On that we have to draw x-axis and y-axis and origin, that is Cartesian system. Then we have to write the scale and we have to plot these 3 points, point A, point B and point C. Now let's see the coordinates of point A. 2 and 3. Abscissa is 2 and ordinate is 3. So let's see this point have both the coordinates positive. So it will come in the first quadrant. So x-axis you have 2, x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 3. So this will be your point A with coordinates 2 and 3. Okay. Now let's see the second point, 6 and minus 1. So x coordinate is 6, that is positive, and y coordinate is negative. So that point will come in the fourth quadrant. So let's see, x coordinate is 6 and y coordinate is minus 1. So this will be your point B, 6 comma minus 1. Now point C, 0 comma 5. Now x coordinate is 0, that means this point will lie on the y axis. So this will be your point C, which have coordinates 0 comma 5. Now we have to find out that these points are collinear or not. So first we will draw a line passing through all the 3 points. Yes, we can draw a line passing through all these 3 points. That means point A, point B and point C are collinear. Now we have to write down the point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis. So what will be the point of intersection here? On the x-axis, this line intersect at this point. So the coordinate of this point will be, let's consider this point as point D, and the coordinates are 5 comma 0 because it lie on the x-axis. Y coordinate will be 0. Okay, and on the y-axis it intersects at point C, which have coordinates 0 comma 5. So let's write down from the graph, the line drawn intersects the x-axis at D, which have coordinates 5 comma 0, and y-axis at C, which have coordinates 0 comma 5. So this was your final answer. So I hope you all have understood this. Now let's move on to the next question. Draw the graphs of the following equation on the same system of coordinates. Write the coordinates of those point of intersection. Now here you have to draw the lines with the equations. First one, x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now this equation is given to you. First you will simplify it. You will write it in the form of x is equal to a. So here you will get x is equal to minus 4. Now let's see what is the next equation. Y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now let's convert it in the simplest form. Therefore you will get y is equal to 1. That is y is equal to b. Third one, 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now 2x, shift this 3 to the other side, you will get 2x is equal to minus 3. Now shift this 2 to the other side, you will get x is equal to minus 3 upon 2, that is equal to minus 1.5. So that will be your third equation. Fourth one, 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. That means 3y is equal to 15. Therefore y is equal to 15 upon 3, that is equal to 5. So these are the 4 equations we have, and on the basis of these equations we have to draw the lines. Okay, so first equation is x is equal to minus 4, second one is y is equal to 1, third is x is equal to minus 1.5, and fourth is y is equal to 5. So let's first draw one Cartesian plane. Here we have drawn x-axis, y-axis and origin. Now first equation we have as x is equal to minus 4. Now it is in the form of x is equal to a. So it must be parallel to y-axis and the value is lesser than 0. So that line will be on the left of this y-axis. So the line will be x is equal to minus 4. That means through this point the line should pass. So this will be your first line with equation x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now always remember you have to write the original equation here, not the changed one. Okay. Then the second equation we have as y minus 1 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 1, that means it must be parallel to x-axis. So it must be here, the 1. It should pass through point 1. So draw the line with the equation y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now let's see the third equation. 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to minus 1.5. Now how to write this? Find out this minus 1.5. Now it is in the form of x is equal to a. That means it must be parallel to y-axis. Now where that 1.5 will be? Yes, here. Minus in between minus 1 and minus 2. Now this unit distance has divided into 10 lines. So if you consider this middle line, this line will have minus 1.5 value. So through that point we have to draw a line which will have equation 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. Now let's see the fourth equation. 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. That is nothing but y is equal to 5. So it must be parallel to, yes, x-axis. So let's draw a line passing through point 5. So here will be your fourth line which will have equation 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. So we have drawn graph here. Now we have to find the point of intersections. So first point of intersection is point A, which have coordinates minus 4 and 1. Okay. Then second point of intersection is, let's say it B, with the coordinates minus 1.5 comma 1. That means x coordinate is minus 1.5 and y coordinate is 1. Then the next point of intersection is point C with the coordinates minus 1.5 comma 5. And the fourth point of intersection is point D with the coordinates minus 4 comma 5. So these are the 4 point of intersections we got here. Therefore, the coordinates of the points of intersections of the given lines are this. Okay. Next question. Draw the graph of the equation given below. First one, 3x minus y is equal to 0. Now observe this equation. This equation is in the form of two variables. This is the linear equation in two variables. So such type of equations, we have to assume the value of x and we have to find the corresponding value of y, and then we can plot the graph. Okay. So first what we will do, we will convert it in the y simplest form. Y is equal to 3x. We have shifted this y to the other side. You will get y is equal to 3x. Now we have to assume the value of x as 0. So when x is equal to 0, what will be the value of y? Y is equal to 3 into, substitute the value of x here, you will get 0. Okay. So when x is equal to 1, you will have y is equal to 3 into 1, that is equal to 3. And these values you have to write in the tabular form. Okay. Where we have written x coordinate, y coordinate and the ordered pair. So here when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. So the order pair will be 0, 0. Then when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3. So your order pair will become 1, 3. When x is equal to minus 1, your y will become minus 3. So your next point will have coordinates minus 1, minus 3. So you can consider few more points also and then you can plot the graph. Now here we have 3 points with the different coordinates. So let's plot the graph here. First we will draw x-axis, y-axis and origin. Write the numbers on the axis and then we will start plotting the graph. Now your first point will have coordinates 0, 0. That means that point must be a origin. So let's write down here, plot it here. First you have to highlight the point and write the coordinates 0, 0. Now the next point have coordinate 1, 3. So let's see, x coordinate is 1, y coordinate is 3. So that point will have coordinates 1, 3. Third point have coordinates -3 and -1 and -3. So this will be your third point, -1 and -3. So through these points you have to draw a line. Okay. So this is the line passing through all these 3 points. So this line will have equation 3x minus y is equal to 0. Hence we have drawn the graph of equation 3x minus y is equal to 0. So this way you have to solve this type of questions. So with this we have completed practice set 7.2. 2 more equations are there that you have to solve in your notebook, okay, in your graph book. Now let's see the assignment question. Draw the graphs of the equations given below. X plus y is equal to 2 and 2x plus y is equal to 1. Now both are the equations in 2 variables. So you have to draw the graph accordingly. I hope you have enjoyed this session a lot. In the next session, we will start with the new lesson.